Blood Donor Day is celebrated every year on 14th of June. It is a day to celebrate the blood donors who make this voluntary blood donation to help another person, because the need for blood is constant. Despite all the restriction in place now, blood banks need to have a steady supply of blood. So the voluntary donor is the main key person to keep our blood banks going and the patients safe. The moment we encourage people to donate voluntarily, we will have less, with the blood which we collect will be definitely more safe than as against paid donors or replacement donors. So the main focus is for voluntary donation of blood, and this we do with the help of blood donation camps. Okay, so this year Goa State AIDS Control Society and myself, being the member secretary of the State Blood Transfusion Council, we are going to commemorate this day by way of 2 blood donation camps, one in North and one in South. In South, on Sunday itself, we'll be having a blood donation camp at Daborli, and in North on 17th we'll be having at Altino with the support of the Goa Police Department.
Okay.
So this is an opportunity for us to get to know the blood donors, to have a blood donation camp and to thank them, and in this way encourage people who have not yet donated or make the first beginning to donate blood, because as the theme goes, safe blood saves lives, and the slogan for this year given us is give blood and make the world a healthier place. So with these 2 themes in place, we will encourage people and also acknowledge the people who have been regular donors and keep our blood banks going. In this COVID-19 pandemic, despite that, the need for blood continues. We may have a pregnant woman will need her blood. You may have a trauma patient needing blood. So despite that, with all the restriction, with following all the norms and all the criteria, if a person who is having illness, sickness, either way, whether COVID or no, we defer them. Though they may want to give blood, but we will say, okay, you can come maybe at a later date. So that way we will not take blood from a person who is not eligible to donate blood. We defer them that way.